Everyone about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on the application of Google Meet. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Google Meet and you will click here. In this page of app and file, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will enter to storage. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.